Imran, welcome. Let me first ask you, we have been trying to do this interview for almost 2 weeks now, and once your internet mysteriously cut out, the last time we were told that there was an army raid on your compound. Tell us what happened.
Well, look, ever since I came out of jail, Fareed, my house is surrounded by the police. There are checkpoints. Everyone is checked who comes into my house, and they have to walk a distance. The main roads, connecting my house are blocked. And one evening when I was supposed to do your interview, I suddenly discovered that the government had announced there were 40 terrorists hiding in my house, and they were going to come, the police was going to come looking for them. So I opened my house for the media to come and see where these terrorists were. So that's what stopped the police raid. So unfortunately, it's an unpredictable time. So hence I couldn't do the interview before.
Where do you think this goes? Do you worry that the elections which have been scheduled, which you were hoping to participate in, will not take place? Tell us looking forward, what do you see happening?
Well, Fareed, my worry so far is about our democracy is being dismantled. The two provincial assemblies in which we were governing, that's 70% of Pakistan, KP and Punjab. We dissolved our governments, and the constitution is clear, you have to have elections within 90 days. The government wouldn't hold the elections. We then had to go to the Supreme Court. Supreme Court ruled that the elections must be held within 90 days and gave the date of 14th May for the election of Punjab. The government refused. They violated the constitution and the orders of the Supreme Court. Now my worry is that even the national elections which are scheduled for October, I'm worried that even they will hold the elections unless and until they are clear that PTI, my party, won't win. Right now, our rating is above 70%. Out of 37 by-elections, we have swept 30. So they are petrified of elections. And because they are scared that PTI and I will be back into power, everything is being done to dismantle our democracy. So right now, as we speak, over 10,000 workers have been arrested. My entire senior leadership is in jail. Tuesday, I'm going to make an appearance for various bails in Islamabad. 80% chances are that I will be arrested. So right now, there's no rule of law. One of the judges cried while saying that he gave people bail and they were rearrested when they got out of the court. The Supreme Court Chief Justice, when he says elections are to be held on 14th of May, when his decisions are discarded. So we are heading towards law of the jungle. Might is right. Right now, there's no rule of law in this country.
Stay with us. When we come back, I will ask Imran Khan. He has taken on the country's most powerful institution, the Army. How will that tussle work out when we come back?